Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll talk about scholarships in University of Sheffield at United Kingdom, and here they say that we offer a range of scholarships for international students. So if you are looking for scholarships at University of Sheffield in UK and you want to apply for undergraduate scholarship, then you can click here. If you want to apply for postgraduate scholarships, then you can click here, and you can also see the scholarship winners previously who won the scholarship. Let's take about postgraduate scholarships. So here they say that we are welcome application for high achieving international students with excellent academic results and potentials. International Postgraduate Taught Merit Scholarship 2024. We are offering 110 to 125 scholarships with worth €5,000 towards your tuition fee. International Postgraduate Taught Merit Scholarship. So you can click here and see further information about that scholarship. International Postgraduate Scholarship. We are offering scholarship up to 2,500 to international students joining university from selected regions to study at taught master's program in September. And these are other scholarships, you can take a look here. So these are the different scholarships, and you need to know that in all scholarships you may not be eligible. They will have some separate criteria, like maybe some scholarship will be only for specific departments, maybe some scholarship only for like great scholarship Egypt, great scholarship Malaysia. Maybe this scholarship Egypt scholarship may be only for the students from Egypt, and great scholarship Malaysia, maybe the scholarships are eligible only to Malaysian students. So you can take a look here about scholarship in which you are eligible and which scholarship is suitable for you, and then you can apply for that scholarship. We can take a look at international postgraduate scholarship. You can click here and you can see further information about the scholarship, the coverage of the scholarship, and no additional scholarship application is required if you meet the eligibility and award criteria below. Scholarship will be applied as a tuition fee discount. You must have accepted your offer from University of Sheffield before that specific time. Eligibility and award criteria. So you can take a look here. To be eligible for the scholarship, applicant must be national of or permanently domiciled in one of the following. In Africa, you should be from these countries. In Middle East, you should be from these countries. Asia, you should be from these countries. Europe, America, South Asia. Okay, and yeah, South Asia, Southeast Asia. So these are the countries which are eligible to apply for the scholarship. Your TAT master's program must be scheduled to commence at the University of Sheffield in September 2024. And there are other eligibility criteria as well. You can take a look here. Yeah, if you are studying 2-year master program of the scholarship, will be available in the second year of your study subject to successful completion of the first year. Oh, okay, if you are applying for master's degree 2 years, then your second year scholarship will be based on your first year scholarship performance, first year studies performance. Yeah, these are all the eligibility criteria. You can read it carefully, and I'll go back here. And if you are applying for undergraduate, then you can click here and see further information about undergraduate scholarships as well. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck, and take care. Bye bye.